Hi friends, let's go find some monster trucks. Do you see one? There's one. Oh my goodness. It's Monster Mutt. Look at those teeth. Look at that tongue. Lick, lick, lick. Get in the bin. Let's see if we can find the next one. Oh, there it is. It's Scavenger. So cool. Look at that big engine. Vroom, vroom. Get in the bin. On to the next one. What's this one called? I don't know. It glows in the dark. Maybe we'll call it glow in the dark monster truck. Do you know the name? Anyways, get in the bin. Let's see if we can find the next one. Here's one. Whoa. It's the old school grave digger with mud tires. Look at those pipes coming out of the engine. It's a really cool old truck. It says, "We ain't bad, but the bad don't mess with us." Interesting. Get in the bin. Let's see if we can find the next one. What's this one? What? Is that a hamburger and french fry? That's so silly. Is that hamburger and french fries? This hamburger delivery? You got combo, flip, smash, crush. Those are the options. This one's called Buns of Steel. It's a hamburger french fry truck. Pretty cool. Get in the bin. Let's find the next one. Whoa. That's cool. It's a white or a gray 5Alarm. Wow. 5Alarm, you look so cool. You got flame on your wheels. Get in the bin. What's this one? Look at that spider. What's this one called? Whoa, that's a really cool snake on there. This one's called Hissy Fit. It's a pretty cool looking truck. Get in the bin. Let's see if we can find any more. What's this one called? Huh. It's got ears. Little tail. I think this one's called Battle Cat. Pretty cool. Get in the bin, Battle Cat. Let's find some more. What's this one? Whoa, look at that. It's got pokies on the top. It's got two teeth up in the front. You see that? A little tail. It looks like a shell on the roof. This one's called Bowser. Get in the bin, Bowser. Did we find all of them? I don't know. Let's take another look. Wait, I see one right there. It's hanging in the tree. Which one's this one? Oh my goodness. It's a giant monster truck. It's Batman. That's so cool. Get in the bin, Batman. All right, let's see which all the monster trucks we found today. Batman, Hissy Fit, 5Alarm, Battle Cat, Scavenger, Bowser, Buns of Steel, Monster Mutt, glow-in-the-dark race car, and old Gravedigger. See you next time.